Yeah. Look at that. Yeah, it's carved out of a piece of chestnut actually from the park, and inspired basically about the surroundings. We get a lot of buzzards around here, so we decided to put a buzzard sitting on top, and obviously squirrels are a feature of woodland, so a little cheeky squirrel climbing up the side of it, and just to add some interest to the surroundings, basically for people on the marked walks. He's carved with 90% with a chainsaw and then some smaller power tools just to finish off the details. I actually started 2 years ago. I was working at a completely unrelated business, and things were getting a bit quiet and things were changing, and I ended up with working from home and some spare time on my hands. I started making some log furniture because I had a couple of big trees taken down, and was playing with them and just thought, I think I can be a bit more creative than that. So I started doing some basic owls and things like that, and then 2 years later, sort of here I am. I've just got just practice, and I'm doing it full time now. It's been a proper business now for coming on 6 months, I suppose. So yeah, so it's sort of a hobby that's developed. And I'm in talks with the park to do some other sculptures just over the next sort of few months, and just have them dotted about on the paths where they're. I don't know what the subject will be yet. That's to be decided, but certainly there will be a few more popping up over the next 6 months or so, hopefully.
Yeah, absolutely. So sort of late last year, the Rangers and I had a walk around the park, and we looked at all the areas that perhaps need a little bit of attention, where we'd like to develop it, what we'd like to improve. We came up with a short plan. We've been lucky enough already to make some of those improvements. So we've installed the new children's play area, which is great. And earlier this year, we also produced a new park map and flyer, which has gone down well. And part of that work was to reroute all our waymarked trails. One of those trails is a feature trail, which takes in all our visitors' favourite areas, so the archway, the carved men, the causeway, that kind of thing. And now going forward, we're going to look to increase the number of structures and features and sculptures that we have on that walk, and that's where Matt came in. We had a chat and we came up with a plan, and he's produced this lovely sculpture for us today.